I'm pet sitting in a client's home. So this is what I brought to eat. Organic protein, Bloom, tea, water flavor, and I went home and made some egg whites with vegetables, and I'm gonna put them in the bowl here that I brought, and put it in the microwave and eat that. Brought this little cooler. Oh, there's a kitty cat. Uh-oh. This little cooler. This is a great cooler. And last night I ate a steak sandwich that I made at home. So you can go home and cook a couple meals and bring them to wherever you're sitting, house sitting, pet sitting, and then you got a couple meals, then you can go home the next day, cook a couple meals, and you're good for a couple days there. Yeah, kitty, kitty, look at you. Look at the kitty. Oh, you're so nice. You're so nice. So keep it healthy. No matter where you're going, keep it healthy. This is a curious cat. Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty, kitty.